What's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports. Today we're doing a quick video on this 2009 Ford F-250 5.4 gas motor, four-wheel drive long bed. It's just getting finished up for sale. It's been through mechanics. So we did a few extra things to this truck. Anybody that's familiar with the 5.4 gas motors, they have a cam phaser problem. So we did an upgrade on this one and did the cam phaser lockout kit on it. Anybody that's not familiar with it, they can call. I'll give you more information. But anyway, it just locks out the cam phasers and then it's tuned. So that way you have no problem with the cams anymore. Again, 09 F-250, 5.4 gas motor. So you don't have to worry about the 6.4 diesel trouble. This will do plenty of hauling. So four-wheel drive, it's a FX4 off-road package, factory leather interior. Again, this is an extended cab long bed, as you can see. Nice truck. It was owned by a company. So it has a few small bumps and bruises. Nothing crazy, nothing major, just small stuff. Like small little dent on the bumper, a couple small scratches. Other than that, it's black, obviously, so it shows everything. But overall, still in very, very good shape. Interior's in good shape. No big issues as far as the interior. Again, just fully serviced, Virginia State inspected, so it's ready for the open road. Mechanically, very, very nice. We service all of our stuff with nothing but good quality parts. And again, we took the initiative on this truck to go ahead and do the cam phaser lockout. It's about a $700 to $800 upgrade. We went ahead and installed it and did it so that way, the customer that buys it doesn't have to worry about the cam phaser issue down the road. So that has already been completed as well. So again, 09 F-250, if you're interested, give us a call, 540-898-1300. Follow us on Instagram, deluxe_motorsports. And then our web address, www.deluxe-motorsports.com. Again, 09 F-250, it's perfect. It's going to be priced around the 16-17 range. It's ideal for somebody that, wants a work truck, doesn't want the expense of a diesel, perfect for landscaping or just a truck for around the house. So, again, here's another shot, 09 F-250. And also, too, on the undercarriage, the frame and everything's super clean, no rust on the frame or anything. It does have some rusting on just the bed rails themselves. On the back, it's a famous Ford issue, but cosmetically underneath, as far as the frame is still in very good shape. I'll give you a shot of it real quick. So as you can see, the frame, no rust anywhere, no flaking rust, nothing like that. Just has a little bit of, like I said, rust developing on the bed rails. Again, 09 F-250. If you got any questions, give us a call, 540-898-1300.